edge of the brink. Through the static whispers we hear the lost souls call. Underneath the chrome and steel we break through every wall. Holograms of freedom shimmer in the sky, where we're wired for defiance, no more need to comply. We're glitching through the system, tearing down the veil. Our screams are cracked but burning, we'll blaze a trail. In this static jungle we rise without a fear. Our electric hearts are pounding, our revolution's near. By the shadows of a technocratic reign, we got dreams encoded coursing through our veins. In this neon labyrinth we navigate the strife. Allies in the code, we're breaching into life. From the spires of dystopia, echoes of resistance ring. Over digital cages, here is ready to spring. With binary rebellion codes written in the sky. In the matrix of beginnings, we'll find a way to fly. System and tearing down the veil. Our screens are cracked but burning, we'll blaze a trail. In this static jungle we rise without a fear. Electric hearts are pounding, our revolution's near. Electric hearts are pounding, our revolution's near. Our revolution's near. Our revolution's near.